Okay, Shadow Ops 70, the latest version. Let's see how this works. All right, we got rid of you. All right, let's move in for the kill. See how close we can get. Just a little bit right there. That's not what we wanted to do, but we'll survive. See if we can get that in the shadow right there. All right, let's see if we can take that out with the jug. All right. What we didn't want was for the silo to shoot. That's okay. Silos like to do damage. So we will take out. Silos want to give us some damage. All right. We'll just clean out those silos. And that's the next step we'll do, is we'll just clean out silos. Let's go get rid of some silos. Okay, we didn't kill him. We stopped too soon. We'll kill him with this one. Every time's an adventure. Yeah, that's too much damage. Send in another one. I don't like him to get too much damage. That one got too much damage. I could keep him under 5 minutes damage. Every time I do this, I do a little bit differently. But it gives you an idea of what I do. All right, now let's reset because time is of the essence. Once you get in there, I don't want to have to run out of time. I want to be able to kill as much as I can, so we'll just reset that to 6.5 minutes. All right, let's send the jug tune in. Now, at this point, we are going to use some shock missiles. We want to shock these guys and then kill them. All right. Let's just give these guys a big old shock. All right. All right, this time we're going to do something different because I'll show you why. These Teslas are a pain in the butt. They do a lot of damage. So we are going to simply take the Tesla out. Other than him, he does a lot of damage to us. So let's just clean him out. All right. Let's go back in and do the other side. Same thing, just get in position, shock them, kill them. Watch out for the Tesla. He will do a lot of damage to you. He usually kills my caretaker. All right, that's close enough. One shock. All right, let's make this happen. All right, let's go over here. Clean out this side before we worry about that Tesla over there. Just slowly, methodically work your way around the base. Don't be in a hurry to do anything. And these two guys are dangerous, so what we've got to be really careful. If they shoot, I'm going to stop. Yep, okay, he shot. Because he's going to do a lot of damage. So we're going to get rid of them. How are we going to get rid of them, you say? Well, that's a good question. We just happen to have some escorts that can't wait to clean them out. And while they're at it, they can clean out this little corner over here. They do a lot of damage to my jug tune, so. Alright. Let's go back in. Clean that bad turkey out. These guys start to get too far ahead of me, I just hit them on, put them on hold. Because it's hard to control all these troops. Some of you guys are really good, you have no problem, but I'm a rookie. So I keep them in check. As long as you're not in too big of a hurry. Alright, we're going to see if we can take out this Tesla right here. We're going to use a jug for this. See if that will take 2 shots out. That should work. He's going to be the problem. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Alright, that's easy enough. That's easy enough. Just go through there one more time and it's all done. So this is one way to do it. Just be patient, take your time. Watch out for the things that can hurt you. Kill them with something that will hurt them, but it won't hurt you. Just take him out. I keep everybody together. That way they suffer less damage. I move slowly, but you know what? Moving slowly is a good thing. That should clear it out right there. That's it. Let's see what we got. What are you going to give me? You want to give me some more dozer round? You want to give me some anti-air? All right, we'll take it.